everyone at Ante TV.
Hello, Vietnam.
Xin chào, Vietnam.
Hello to everyone from Ante TV.
Hi, Anchai TV.
Hi, I'm Anchi TV audience.
Hello, Anh Trai TV. Namaste India. Xin chào quý vị khán giả của Anh Chay TV. Và tôi là Hoàng Vĩnh. Hiện tại tôi đang có mặt tại lễ hội thuần chay thế giới lần thứ 48 năm 2023.
Hello, I'm Nico. I'm from Norway. I've been a vegan for 2 years now, and I'm also an animal rights activist.
So how did you feel about this atmosphere in this festival? This is the opening day, right?
So far, I think it's really cool. Like all the colors, all the stalls, like the people speaking over there, and so much good food you can taste, and just amazing atmosphere.
My name is Shivalika. I am from Bombay, India. And today we have put up a stall of my cloud kitchen. This is my first ever stall today. So proud moment for me.
How do you think about the nutrition of the vegetable in your life?
So I feel like we are not designed to eat animals. Even biologically, the way our bodies are as humans are not. We're not designed to eat animals.
Yeah.
So if we eat what God designs us to eat, our body is going to stay healthy, right? So, and also you don't see a deer having a cat's milk or a cat eating a bat's milk. So why do we have the cow's milk? Who's given us that right? You know? So it's just in line with nature. You do anything in line with nature, it's going to do good for your body.
Yeah, I've been vegan for last 6 years now. And I make sure that I participate in these activities. Showing up really matters. Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, 3 years I think. And yes, I'm also trying to get into this vegan
But
activity.
here's the thing.
I've been vegan for more than 3.5 years.
All right, that's okay. So, become a vegan. Do you think it's difficult?
I think it depends on what are your priorities. If you think animal agriculture and animal cruelty is bad, then I think you can. But if you really don't care about that, then I think it can be difficult.
So about you?
Yeah, no, not at all. Not at all. I don't think it's difficult at all. I mean, obviously, if you look at it from animals' perspective, it's very, very easy. But if you're very selfish and you're like, we have to have meat, even though there are substitutes to it. I think it just comes from a very selfish point of view. Otherwise, it's not at all difficult.
My name is Heer Chawla. My brand name is Art of Vegan School, and we have come up with a vegan culinary school in Navi Mumbai, Kharghar. Basically, our main motto is like to teach everyone how vegan lifestyle impacts in our daily to daily life, and vegan school, vegan cooking, so that everyone can get ease to know more about cooking part. And our main thing is we teach every vegan aspects under one roof. Like coming to, you can see our modules. We have international vegan food, vegan cuisines, breads, desserts, as well as workshop on cheese making, sushi making, and many more things.
My name is Karthik and I am an Indian athlete.
Yes, of course.
How do you feel right now?
It's good. I don't train specifically for 10K, but it's good to win.
Oh, nice. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much.
And I ran the distance of 5 kilometers.
Yeah, you finished 5 kilometers.
Yeah, 5 kilometers.
How do you feel right now?
Yeah, actually, this is not my first marathon, but I have participated many times here also.
Yeah.
And the experience was awesome. The route and the hydration was very good. And everywhere the direction was very nice.
So how long you keep running in your life?
Actually, I'm running from 2016.
Yes.
And I'm also a state wheelchair rugby team captain.
Why did you join this festival?
दिस फेस्टिवल आई थिंक पूरे देश दुनिया में होने ही चाहिए क्योंकि दिस टाइप ऑफ फेस्टिवल इज वेरी गुड अवेयरनेस अबाउट ह्यूमैनिटी है ना, एक दूसरे के कम्युनिकेशन के साथ में एक दूसरे के, तो आई थिंक बेस्ट लिविंग स्टाइल है कि बी ए मैन एंड बी ए गुड ह्यूमन एंड यू नो एनिमल्स आर लाइक अस and respect them.
I am Priya Vijin, top 11 contestant, MasterChef India 2023 and the plant-based chef from MasterChef India. I'm a plant-based food, health and a fitness enthusiast.
So how long you become a vegan?
So my transition started in 2019 and it's going to be 4 years that I have been following 100% plant-based diet.
So which is the milestone that you turned to be a vegan in 2019?
To begin with, it is completely because of health. I was ailing with a highly congested chest and a migraine. Dropping dairy reversed my ailment and I'm completely pill-free now. So I talk about food more on a healing power ground. So then I realized that we do not really need meat and dairy for a survival. So then the entire compassion came that, for me, compassion starts with myself. If I can love myself and take care of myself, I can coexist with other with beings.
Officially, I am passing the flag to Hao Lei.
Yes, welcome to Vietnam. This is the next festival, our festival.